By now you've probably already planned out a fair chunk of your manuscript for NaNoWriMo, so these options might be useful for you. Hi, I'm Juliet, and today we're talking about more advanced views of the corkboard. We've already looked at the concept of being able to see the contents of a container in the corkboard. But what happens if you select the whole manuscript? Well, as you can see, you see all the main level containers beneath what you've selected, and those that have subdocuments look like a stack of cards. What you can do here if you're looking to reorganize your whole manuscript is to right-click on that stack, open, and open it in another editor. Then you can see all the main folders on one side and the contents of one on the other. Note that you'll have to open each folder individually by the same method. However, if you select only the folders by Control and click, you can get a whole other view, where each folder is given a sectioned layout, which you can see vertically or horizontally by using the options in the bottom right of the screen. And you are able to edit them. Now, if you've applied label colours to your corkboard, you have the option to look at those labelled items in isolation by selecting Arrange by Label, which you can do vertically or horizontally. This could be useful if you've used labels for points of view or particular plot threads to see if continuity is maintained or things are working well in the order you've placed them. It also highlights if there are items that don't have a label yet. If you haven't seen the first corkboard video in this series yet, that's this one here,